my Kindreds, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Right, so I don't know where we left off, but in this video today we have a few things that we need to do. And like, when do I don't have things to do? If it is you all hearing noise in the background, it's because like my neighbors and they are like power washing and stuff like that. So any like weird sounds that you all may hear, it probably a passing vehicle or something of the sort, right? So what we need to do today on the agenda, we need to paint the windows. So I'm focusing on painting the frames of the windows to the front of my house. So that means I have 6 window, the frame itself, not the actual window, but the frames. So I have 6 frames in and out to paint. Right, I have windows. It's Sunday, today is the 4th of December and it's Sunday and it's me and my daughter alone, so I need to cook. I don't think I'm doing anything extravagant, no. There's something to make sure you're not hungry. Like, she ate pizza already for the morning, so I know that she could for a minute because it's like 10 o'clock. Right, we have clothes to wash. She's been begging for her Christmas tree. So in terms of, I think I might go ahead and like set that up for her, right? Is where we could get a fluffy tree and put on the ornaments and stuff, even if it's not in the correct position where I may want the tree, but get that out of the way so just to make her a little happier, right? Because she had been asking for her Christmas tree. So yeah, so that is the agenda for today. Listen, it don't have no particular order in which these things are going. Right, it had like clothes to fold, it had things, wow, it have so much to do, but we're gonna stick with those that I mentioned for today. So I'm actually going to cook, right? And I will check in with you all afterward because I'm not taking you all along with me today. We need to get this out. Like, this is a quick thing, in and out, and that's it. So when I'm done cooking, I will see you guys. Okay guys, it's many hours later. As you all can see, outside is dark, right? So it's basically nighttime, right? Sorry about the dogs and stuff that you all are hearing in the background. You all know this, it don't ever end. And the toy is throwing. Baby, don't throw the toys on the ground like that. And so as you all know that we are in the preparation for Christmas, and my daughter is in my skin about this Christmas tree. Now everything is not prepared in order to to be, everything is not in place as yet into my liking in order to have the Christmas tree, but just to make her happy and just for her to give me a chance and leave me alone. We are going to do the Christmas tree today. So we may not complete it, but at least put it up. You all heard that song? That is her mama giving me with a kiss. So yeah, let's at least put it up a little bit and see what is working, because we are going back with last year decorations. Listen, I'm not going to buy it. So unless something is not working or is broken or something like that, then. But other than that, we're using the same thing from last year. So because I'm talking way too long, per usual, let's just get into this.
You know, pretty much like this.
If you want a Christmas day, I can give you a cup of cocoa. Even if it was cold, babe, don't worry, I'll be there for you. Every night I see you falling down there, baby, you might feel like curtain hiding down there, and so much worries you were holding inside of you. The scars and tears will dry. You'll be fine, don't worry, babe. I'll light up the candles for you. I will say that my Christmas day is for you.
Alright guys, so actually going through the decorations that I have one set of lights, right? That's the colorful ones, and part of it is working and part of it isn't. Sorry about the noise in the background, but part of it is working and part of it isn't. So that means that we need to go and get some lights. Right, so with that being said, I think that the Christmas decorations segment of this video will be as a pause because we need lights. We can't have a Christmas tree with no lights. Like, what fun would it be? Right, so I might actually allow my daughter to put on the ornaments and stuff on the tree by herself, and I wouldn't film that just for her to, you know, enjoy herself, right? But seeing that tomorrow is school, right, I'm actually going to start organizing to prep her for school, because that's a little more important than Christmas tree, right? But for her it is important, so I'm just gonna allow her to play and stuff by herself right now. So we put a pin in the decorating of the tree, but at least it's up, so she will see it and she will know that, hey, it's going to happen, right? And she wouldn't feel that, well, you know, we're not going to do the Christmas tree this year and stuff like that, and she, you know, she will be a little more excited. So that's that for now. I'm actually going to, like, I think I'm going to comb my hair now because she has, as I said, she has school in the morning, and like clean up and stuff a little bit more. If I see it's worthy of bringing you all along, I will, right? So